How to set up WhatsApp automation, WhatsApp marketing, WhatsApp button, WhatsApp sales inside your Shopify stores with Dondy. So first go to the Shopify App Store. You can look for WhatsApp or for Dondy and you will find Dondy. Install the app. Then after you finish to install, you will get into the home page of Dondy. You can see it's inside the Shopify admin. So there are 4 simple things you can do with Dondy. The first one, and very important one, is to add WhatsApp button to your store. Here you can see, add WhatsApp button. You need to put your phone number. This phone number should have WhatsApp. You can create WhatsApp inside your iPhone or your Android. Download the app and you will have WhatsApp. Then enter this phone number, choose the size that you want to show the WhatsApp button, choose where you want to locate it on the site, choose the pre-filled message. So when customer reach you, you will already have this message. You can choose custom working hours. You can choose show it 24 hours. You can choose show it on a specific page or on all pages. You can choose display it only on mobile, on your desktop, or both. And you can add product URL to any pre-filled message. You can add an text label beside the chat, and you can choose different kind of icons. And then you should press save. After you press save, you will have this pop-up to enable the widget in your site, and just press save again, and you will have the widget. Perfect. Now that we have our widget, customer can reach us on WhatsApp. Now, the most important thing is automation on WhatsApp. First, to do automation on WhatsApp, you need to create a WhatsApp API account. For this, you will need to subscribe to Dondy Power Automation Plan or Elite Plan with WhatsApp API accounts. Then you will reach to our support. We will send you email. You can reach us on WhatsApp. You will need to bring a number without a WhatsApp today, and then we will send you a link to set up WhatsApp API account in your Facebook, and then you are free to go. You can set up automation, and here you set up the automation after everything is ready. So create automation flow. Here you choose the flow type. It can be abandoned cart recovery, it can be order confirmation, order fulfillment, order upsell, and you can do also integration with Shopify Flow. You create the template inside Dondy, then add it inside the Shopify Flow, so you can do any automation in the world. And also we have caution delivery, we have integration with Klaviyo, and we have integration with JudgeMe and Loox. And we are building more and more integration. So, for example, abandoned cart recovery, you can choose the language you want to choose. Here you can edit your text. We notice you left something behind. You can choose to add a discount code. You can edit the buttons. Complete your order, it will take you directly to checkout. And you can add dynamic image, custom image, and you can do it without image. Then you press create flow. And your automation will start running. Here you will see if the flow is approved or not approved. You can make it enable, you can make it draft, you can edit, and when it's live, it's running. So this is the automation that's running inside our stores. And you can see here the revenue it's created, the orders, how much it costs to you. There is a price per message, mainly to Meta. You can see the ROI, you can see how many have been sent, delivered, read, and what is the delivery rate. Another cool feature that you can do is create campaign. So you go to campaigns, create campaign. You choose a name, test. Here you choose a segment. It will take you to the Shopify segment. So you can go to Shopify, edit a segment from your customers. It can be anything. It can be subscribes to email. It can be customer that that order at least one, or any segment that you want. You save it here, and then you go inside Dondy, and you see that you can save it, you can edit the text, you can add image or a video, and create draft. After draft is created and template is approved, you can schedule the campaign. And before you can send the test to yourself to see how it look on WhatsApp. You will put your number, your name and your number, and then it will send you a test. After you send the test and you see all good, you can schedule the campaign. Choose, you will see here how many customers are here, what is the price, and you can pick a time and schedule the campaign like this one. Perfect. Last thing you can do with Dondy is send sales and manual messages to your customers. Here you will see, for example, all your abandoned cart recovery customers. You can edit your template and you can press and send, and it will open your WhatsApp with this message already. Same you can do for order messages. You can create multiple templates and then send the template to your customers. You can always talk to us on the support. You can see the FAQs. You can see our integration, and you can see reports. You can check how many people click on your WhatsApp widget. Another thing that we have on the Elite plan is the WhatsApp inbox for the WhatsApp API. So here you can talk to your customers, answer them, send them a message. You can use it with unlimited device, unlimited agents, and continue the sale after the automation messages has been sent. Thank you guys.